and queen. Blessed love to one and all. How's everybody doing? Huh? Lion Art Lifestyle there, so I greet up everybody. Yeah man, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day in the backyard. Everything is going. You can hear the noise of the trucks and the cars and everybody just busy. Yeah man, everybody I do them thing, you know say I work day man, every day is a working day. Yes, Rastafari. Yeah man. See how me out the door here looks so beautiful. Look at the sky guys. And time I look on the sky and I see it like this, you know, I feel good. You know, cause right now I feel like I'm in Jamaica. You know what I mean? It's not too hot right now and it's not cold. It's just nice. Yeah man. Out the door with them and I do a thing. Yeah man. Beautiful, beautiful day. Yeah man, so as you see me there guys, in my backyard here, in the Lion Art Liberty, you don't know it bro. Lifestyle on the YouTube channel, you don't know. Let me go now look a quick thing where I go on, you see? Right now it's just lunchtime, as you can see the time is like that time. Right so. See? Yeah man, I may have two fish right there, so you know guys, I'm gonna max them up. I'll fry them up nicely. See? Yeah man, and that I'm gonna do with them. I season them up with some powder and thing, garlic powder, Maggi powder, hot powder, all kind of thing. I'm gonna fry them up crispy and nice. You see me? See? I'm gonna fling them in the oil with some thyme and the garlic. Yeah man, and when time them done, I'm gonna stew them down nicely, really nicely, and boil 2 cornmeal flour with them. And that I'm gonna do. Yeah man, so stick and stay on Lion Art Lifestyle and see where I go on. See? And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. If Lion Art know I go on. YouTubers, big up on myself. See? You don't know it already man. Rastafari. I soon come back and I soon see where I go on. Short thing today. Short thing today. Bless up. Okay. So the tilapia them. Them and them are going a pot. Nice and easy. See the inside guys, you don't want too much black on the stove. Don't want nobody get burned. Me myself. Yeah? Yeah man, so we got 2 fish going in the pot there. I'm gonna fry them up crispy and then I'm gonna kinda like stew them down a bit so I can eat them with some cornmeal dumplings. So I pot of water, I let them go boil and things like that. Yeah man, so yeah man. So take your time, check in on time and come back. See? Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See? Lifestyle, Rastafari. Alright guys, see me there now. I put some flour dumpling in my pot now. Some in there already still. Alright, now you know a lot of people they do the roll and press. They roll and do this and that and everything. People, they roll and chop. See? Easy roll and chop, just like that. Now I'm putting food nice and neat and just like that. Roll and chop. Okay? Now we're going to push them over here, so guys. Don't stand up too close to them now and you burn yourself. See? So we have to push them there right now, so guys are going nicely. Come on then, I'm going to take them out of the pot soon. Transfer them to that one over there, so steam them down, stew them down a little bit, then go on. See? So fasten yourself and some more flour here, so I'm going to put it in the pot. See? So stick and stay. Remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. And big up all around. Mr. Olivia, big up yourself here, sir. That's the fire, you don't know, so see? Soon come back and show now what I go on and stew down the fish. See? One love to the world, Rastafari. Again guys, see that? Alright, so now have the flour, them are going here, so see? Them and the cornmeal dumpling and look white silk and hold it for cornmeal right there, but that's it. Cornmeal burn the belly so that's it. Cornmeal flour going, see? And so now have my 2 fish them over here, so just like that, I'm going to cook them up. So I have a little bit of vegetable here. This is the only thing I have right now, so I'm going to make it work for me. So all I got, we have some tomato, we have some onion, green pepper, and I cut up some garlic in it. See? So I go just, you know, all over it. Just like that. You know, so some people like to cook the vegetable under the bottom first and things like that, but it's alright. You know, we look for it. We just steam it down in a little bit of gravy. You see it? Just like that. Go and steam down on it just like that. And then I add a little bit more Maggi on it. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that right now before I forget. Stick a butter on it, and guys, that would be it. Normally, guys, when I see me that pour some coconut milk on it and things like that, but I'm gonna save that one there, see? And just deal with it the way I deal with it, see? So, yeah man, when you come back, you should have done with boiled dumpling and a little bit of steamed cook up fish. Well, not really steam because I fry it, so we call that one a stew fish, see? Because we fry it and then we cook it down, so that's what I deal with. And this is lunch, not even dinner yet. Why? God bless all the time, I tell you the truth, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Alright? And check me out on my TikTok too, you know, Lionheart Levity. See what me I deal with over there, so. Rastafari. I soon come back. When we come back, like me say, dumpling for done, fish for done, time for go down. See? Rastafari, one love. Yes, kings and queens. See the two fish there? Yeah, man. Them gone home now. Yeah, man. But them not go home alone, you know. You see me do? I fry and then stew them down. Yeah, man, see me have my little dumpling them in it, vegetable and thing in it. Yeah, man, that one they look good. And them a go down with some what? More dumpling. What you mean? Because them look good. Kings and queen, I tell them I saw lunch cut to them, man. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So we love it. Yeah, man. Stew fish. Caramel dumpling. What can better up an afternoon like this? Yeah, man, this is a blessed thing, man. Yes, Rastafari. No, say some other man right now. I don't want to go home from work, and one time I go home from work at this, I don't want to sit on a plate today. Some dumpling and some stew fish. Yo, anyway, blessed love, Rastafari. One love to the world. Selassie. Welcome back. See me down here now. Yeah, man, see it, yeah? So me have my boiled dumpling and right there, so. See? And me I go eat now, so you know say. How much do you think we should have, guys? Ah boy, oh boy, I'm gonna challenge me today. You say what is that one? If you know people only know how I and I man does flour dumpling. See? I'm over here, so guys, I have the fish right there, so yeah, man, show them a good look on that. And guess what? We have a little bit of dumpling them upon it again too. Cheese! Little spinners. Now watch it now. Step aside a little bit, because I have to go rest the plate now. Alright, come up on this side so we can angle this thing proper. Guys, I want to take it up without mashing it up, you know, guys. Just like that, guys. Take it top it out, mash it up, man. See? Oh, just last time with all of that gravy. Last time, guys. And you know, say a flour dumpling. So flour dumpling take a whole heap of gravy. See that one that we left in there now? Yeah, man. Probably for the mistress if she want it, you know. So if she don't take it, me go. Me go. Done him. Yeah, man. So, see there, guys. So this look, you know. I want to know, so Mr. Man, me love my tomato, right? Love my tomato.
Homegrown?
Yeah, man, homegrown tomato. So, watch out. See me tomato there. See me tomato go and do them business there. Even if me cover the flour, I don't care. It's okay. I don't know how I go. See it there, guys. Wonderful dish. Yeah, man, boiled dumpling and some stew fish. And that's what I say. Yeah, man, I really enjoy that food. See? Yeah, man. Like I say, it's a short one. See? So, I take care of myself. Make sure you check into Lionheart Lifestyle. See? Give me a link. See? Such as comment, share, and subscribe. See? And check me out on the TikTok. So, I'm going with some foolish stuff over here. You don't know it already, man. Man have to live, man have to eat, not true. See? One love to the world. And big up on yourself again. All out. Rastafari. Give thanks. Selassie.